Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install Java JDK on Mac OS. Type JDK download in browser search bar. Click Java SE Downloads. Click JDK Download. Download DMG file. Check I reviewed and accept the Oracle Technology Network. Click Download. Click Allow. Open downloaded file. Open JDK package file. Open JDK package file. Click Continue, Install. Type your system password. JDK installed successfully. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.